I'm going to teach you a counting game. You first start out with your zeros on the end. You can put the black one on top or the purple one on top, that doesn't matter. But you're going to make 2 rows. The zeros start out face up, and then you place 10 cards after each zero. It takes up a lot of space, so make sure you have room. You can also adjust your cards if you need more space. I'm going to place the rest of my cards face down. I'm going to count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You start out by picking one card. It can either be on the top or the bottom row, it doesn't matter. I picked a black 3. Each time you pick up a card, you say its color and its number out loud. I'm going to count out loud 0, 1, 2, 3 to find the place where this number goes. It goes right here, so I'm going to flip this card over. I got a purple 1. I'm going to count 0, 1. Well, I know 1 comes after 0, so I could just put it right there. Now I picked a purple 9. I'm going to count where 9 goes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always stop and count the space that's missing. 6, 7, 8, 9. Purple 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Black 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went up to the top row because that's where my black cards are. Black 7. Well, I know 7 comes after 6, so I'm going to put it here after the 6, but I'm going to count to make sure that it's in the right spot. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got it right. Now I have purple 7. Well, I know purple 7 is going to go under black 7, so I'm going to put it there, but I'm going to count to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, I went back and I counted this spot that's missing a card. Purple 10. Well, I remember that 10 comes after 9, and I have 9 right here, so I'm going to put it in this last spot, and then I'm going to count and see to make sure that it's in the right spot. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Black 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Black 2. 2 comes before 3. So I'm going to put it here, but I'm going to count to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3. 5. 5 comes before 6. I have 6. But I'm going to count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Purple 2. I know 2 goes between 1 and 3. 0, 1, 2. Black 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes in between 3 and 5. Black 8. Well, I have 7 and I have 9. So I'm going to put 8 in between that. I'm going to count to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Black 1. 1 comes after 0. 0, 1. Purple 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 landed in my empty space. So now if you're playing with a partner, it could be their turn, or you can just pick a card that hasn't been flipped over yet. Purple 8. 7, 8. I'm going to check to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Black 10. Well, I only have 1 spot left with my black, but I'm always going to check and count again to make sure. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Purple 6. I know it's a 6 because there's a line on the bottom. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're all in order from 0 to 10. Now, if you would like to, after you've done this 3 or 4 times, you can count down from 10. So I'm going to take my 10 cards and put them on this end. Mix up my deck. This is the fun part, mixing the deck. And then I'm going to place my cards out again, face down.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm going to straighten them out.
And then I do the same thing. I pick a card and I say the number out loud. But remember, we're going from 10 down to 0. So 1. 1 is going to go down on this end and it's purple. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4. Black 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Purple 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I landed in my empty spot, so it could be your partner's turn, or you can just choose a card from either row. Black 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Purple 3. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Black 0. 0 goes at the end, but I'm going to check to make sure. 10, 9, 8, 7, always count this space. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Black 8, 10, 9, 8. Purple 2. Well, I know 2 goes between 1 and 3, so I'm going to put it here and count down to make sure. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.